And it was the perfect place to gather secretly and write a blueprint for the central banking system without the public ever even finding out. For 9 days, these men worked in absolute secrecy. They even avoided using last names. Waitstaff and the other island employees never knew their identities. Now, each day, behind closed doors, they debated, they drafted plans for a new American central bank. They knew how angry the public would be if word ever leaked out that Wall Street and Washington insiders were privately crafting America's new financial system. But when that group finally left Jekyll Island, they had a detailed proposal on hand, one that would later become the Federal Reserve Act of 1913. But first, they had to carefully shape the public narrative. They changed the language and replaced central bank with Federal Reserve System. They designated regional branches to appear more decentralized and emphasized public oversight, even though private banks would remain deeply involved. Now, it was, in many ways, a masterclass in financial public relations. Now, years later, Vanderlip told the full story in both a 1933 written account and a 1935 interview for the Saturday Evening Post. He openly admitted that if the public had found out about that secret meeting back then, their banking plan would have never made it through Congress. Today, we still live with that financial system created in that secret gathering. And every time the Federal Reserve adjusts interest rates, it impacts our mortgages, our credit cards, our savings accounts. They're still operating under the guidelines that was first sketched out secretly in a private island more than a century ago.